But yeah, I gotta go downtown to get my tires changed, and I did it again! What is up, guys? Welcome to the vlog today. I have a lot of shit to do today. I gotta go downtown, get my tires changed because they were slashed, and go to the store. Edit a couple videos. Boring shit. So yeah, boring shit. Just woke up, and it's 1:30 in the afternoon. Nikki! Hi. Okay, and you're just gonna chill there. Yeah, so we are planning on getting a cat tomorrow if it all works out. But it is a very cute cat, I'll tell you that. The next couple vlogs, I'm filming on a selfie stick because I couldn't find a bendy tripod for this model, and I don't have my DSLR with me because my brother borrowed it when he went to Kenosha, Wisconsin. But yeah, I gotta go downtown to get my tires changed, and I did it again! Sorry, we just switched rooms. This was originally my parents' room. That over there was originally my room. And for the past couple days, I've been going in that room by accident. Yo, I just cracked this. It still works, just not going as fast. Apple tech support, you know? Alright, so yesterday's vlog was pretty boring. I did not really do anything. I fell asleep. So I rescheduled the tire appointment for tomorrow. So that'll be in tomorrow's vlog. And I'm just converting yesterday's vlog into today's vlog. So I'm editing the vlog. This is still cracked. Okay, Apple wanted $175, not including tax, to repair this. I can go online and do it myself for 45 bucks. Yeah. So we're taking her home today?
Forever and ever and ever.
Man, I tell you this, I surely would not want a snake in my house or if it crawls up my pants or something. Damn, I'm good with a cat. No snakes in my house.
Look at all these dogs.
That's funny, isn't
You
it?
have hats, graduation hats on a dog.
That's the new cat. Hey! Alright guys, that's the end of the vlog. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you tomorrow.